What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Flare, which has hit a green candle guys. As you guys can see, over the week it has gained a decent amount of value, even though it has been hitting red days in between. Overall it is up and right now has pumped up just over 7% in the last 24 hours. Majority of the pump coming from earlier this morning, and the crypto is currently valued at just over 3 cents. So we're going to be going through what is next for Flare guys. Is this the recovery point? Is it going to pump back up in value, essentially hitting 5-6 cents over the next couple of days, weeks? And also looking at its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024. How low and how high can it go, and is this a crypto to be investing into this year? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto is still trading in the dark green zone. However, it has gone from the lower part up to the resistance level here. It did just about hit the blue zone, however has dipped down since, but we'll get into this later on in the video. So for now I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the MACD indicator, which is the purple line, sorry, not the MACD indicator, the SMA indicator running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Flare, which is here in purple at 0.028 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green at over 3 cents, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking so steep is of course because of the major pump that took place earlier this morning. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is not the case. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at just around the 3 cents target. So yes, at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, it's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. Even though it is likely to hit more red candles, it is likely to trade just over the 3 cents target by the end of the day today, is what my expectations are. So again, do expect a mixture of green and red candles. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days again we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are still looking quite steep, just like the previous chart. This is not as realistic as it seems, exact same reason. However, over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting Flare to have gone through an overall increase in value guys, potentially heading up to 0.033 to 0.035 cents in value is where I'm expecting Flare to be hovering around by mid to end of next week. But does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles. That is of course not realistic. It is likely to hit the odd red day in between. But again guys, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Now moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So as you guys can see, it is not looking as steep anymore, so this is much more realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to end July, early August, I am expecting Flare to be hovering over the 4 cents value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason being is I'm also expecting the crypto market, including Bitcoin, to be moving towards the bullish side, and yes, I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market overall, which of course involves Flare as well. So heading over 4 cents is what I'm expecting from Flare by mid-August. However, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys, because the crypto market has been quite volatile and unpredictable as well recently, with major drops and pumps and so on. But again, as long as we can keep moving in a bullish direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, more updates on Flare will be coming. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring back the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, earlier on in mid last month, we did hit the resistance level. However, we bounced back up and then pumped back into the dark green zone, and right now have hit the top level of the dark green zone, the resistance level is called, and I'm expecting it to essentially resist over the next few days, so dropping down into the dark green zone and then breaking out into the blue zone by mid to late June and early July is what my expectations are. So it should essentially be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment over the next 6 to 8 weeks. But again, if there are any major updates on this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 130% in the last 24 hours, making it over $22 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious: the crypto has gained a decent amount of value earlier this morning, and it's still ongoing right now. So we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, in which return it is also helping the value of Flare pump up as well. And as you guys can see, over the week 13%, and over the month it has been quite shaky. As you guys can see, it has been quite volatile. It hasn't gained much value. It looks like it has been neutral, but yes, it has taken quite of a dip and then bounced back up right now. So yes, even though it has been quite volatile, overall it has been more on the neutral side. So I've seen a lot of people commenting online saying Flare's gonna hit 10 cents by the end of the year and so on, which I agree with up to an extent. 10 cents is reasonable and it is possible. So if the crypto market does manage to stay on the green side for the rest of the year, or even majority of the year, then yes, Flare should be able to hit the 10 cents target towards the very end of the year. Let me know in the comment section down below how high and how low you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.